Hello guys, welcome to my blog. Today 23rd of August 2025. Today I have visited to Sharjah birds market. This is the first part. You can see there is many exotic birds and it's very cheap. Also most of the birds are very healthy, active. Today I buy one pair of Sankunur breeding pair and I will show you also later. Maybe next blog you will see them. Here are some cockatiel and budgies. There are many birds and very cheap. See the lovebirds, many colors. And so many birds are there. See the this Sunkanor baby, 2 months, 3 months almost. These are pigeons. There are many fancy pigeons as well, and also there is high flyer pigeons. See the fighter top. These are birds. This is first time I see these birds. If you know the name of these birds, please tell me. This is Amazon best talkative parrots. And see, this is Alexander, also very nice for talking. This is Indian ringneck. This one's on Kannur, baby. And here you will see some fancy cats. Again, wazis. There are many birds. If you will roam around, you will know the birds type. This is the high flyer pigeons. This one as well. This is bear, and this is fancy pigeons. Siraji, very nice. This is Siraji as well. And here are some fancy fishes, very nice. You will see at the last you will see the and guess the name of the fishes. I'm not expert in the fishes, so I don't know the name. Here is peacock, one pair. I think both are male here. Rabbit babies. And see now the last. You will see here. I don't know which fish is that. This one, yes, this one. Very colorful, very nice.